destroyed church, Mother Mary Church. Behind me is the activities of Iraqi Christian Relief Council here. The items that are being transferred are going from Iskenderun to another city called Arzuz. We have brought in food for children, pasta, dried milk, rice, and other items, plus toilet paper, and etc. So, as I stated before, Order of St. George is in the process of collecting hygiene products for women, medication, such as heart disease medication, blood pressure medication, etc., as well as hygiene products for families. That's what we're working on at the Order of St. George. I cannot tell you the magnitude of destruction, the magnitude of the need. There are people that have lined up, but they're not willing to show their faces, to be honest. They're very dignified individuals, and they don't want to be showing their faces on camera. That's why you don't see them behind me. But just down, maybe he can pan out, just briefly. Some are already inside the courtyard of the church collecting items, but there are some that are standing over there in the distance. They are here to collect some goods for their families. There is absolutely utter destruction. I cannot tell you how desperate these people are. Thanks be to God today the weather is a little bit better, but it's extremely cold at nights, and these people are out either still living in their cars or they're staying in tents. Some of their tents are actually from 2014. They've been brought over from Iraq, and the tents are placed here. So this is just the hour of need of these people. So we plead with you to assist in the activities of St. George. And obviously Iraqi Christian Relief Council, my ministry, is on the ground delivering food. This is our 6th distribution. Thank you.